How to remove all section break in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your document file, go to Home from the ribbon and choose the option of Replace at the right corner. Simply go to Next, go to Special option at the bottom, choose the option of Section Break. Once you do, you can simply leave the Replace option empty so that it finds all the section break in the document and removes it with a space. Click on Find Next and choose the option of Replace All. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to remove section break in MS Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.